Now, moaning during sex is not a sin as a Christian. The religious couples come closer, especially. It's not a bad thing if you release sounds. You can release sounds in form of words, or you can release sounds in form of sounds. But don't just be quiet through the process. Some of you, especially the men, your wives will do all the things I've taught them in the academy. They will sit on you, they would roll and whine and touch you in places that will take you to the heavenlies. And all you do is, excuse me, sir. What is going on? You don't know how to release those sounds out. Or you think God is going to be upset with you? What is... Are you having palpitation? Is it a bad thing if you say, ooh, yes? These are the simplest of ways to even moan. How about using sentences? The wife of my youth. That's the spot right there. I love what you just did. Oh, yes, right on, baby. What is it? And also vice versa. The wives as well. What is the matter with you Christian couples that don't like to talk? Religiosity has blinded you all. See, intimacy in marriage is a celebration of love. So please, do not feel guilty when you express those sounds. Express it today. Let your spouse know that what they are doing to you is enjoyable. Keeping quiet to make them think they're not doing enough. So give them feedback and let them be happy. Celebrate that love openly. Well, if you have kids, you can still moan quietly. Yes, baby. I love it, baby. You know I got you guys, right? Join the Bedmatics community to know more. Link in bio. Now you know.